In today's tutorial, we will be learning how to draw this object in Inventor. Firstly, select File in the top left hand corner, select New, New again. I will mostly be using the metric system. Select standard.ipt, note it is in millimeters, select Create. Firstly, select Start in the top left hand corner, select the XY plane. I will be holding in the middle button to move the XY plane to the bottom left corner. I will select Line and set it to be 70 millimeters. Note the degrees are 0.00. Select OK. And do the same on the Y axis, 70 millimeters. Select OK. I will zoom out and reposition my axis holding the middle button. Select Line. Set it to 10 millimeters, then set it to 40 millimeters down, and then additional 10 millimeters to the right, 20 millimeters down, and 50 millimeters to the right. Note that it is at 90 degrees. Select OK. I will now select 3D model, select Extrude, select the object face, right click. I will now change direction and select 70 millimeters. I will now press the home button to reposition my object. I will now select plane, the mid plane between two planes, select this plane, move my object around to select this plane, and now I have a plane through the middle of my object. I will now select home to reset my view. I will left click on the plane, select Create Sketch, reposition my sketch holding in the middle button, select Project Geometry onto this plane. Please note you have to do this before adding your points and your lines, not after. Select Point, place your point on the object, select Dimension, dimension this point to be 20 millimeters from this line, select Line, place the line on top of your object and to the point you have just created. Select OK. I will now move to 3D model, select Extrude. I will extrude this part, select this button, make this 10 millimeters and select OK. I will now move to the right and then bottom view. I will left click on the bottom view, select New Sketch, reposition my sketch. I will select Point, put the point on the object. I will now select Dimension, dimension this point 20 millimeters away from this line. Select Rectangle, put my point on that, select 20 millimeters, and I will dimension this line to be 30 millimeters apart. I will now select Finish Sketch, reposition my object, select Extrude. I wish to extrude this box. I wish to select Cut, and to make sure my direction is correct, select OK. I will right click on this plane, disable the visibility, and there is your object.